So point number 2, which is very, very important, raw material storage. Remember, in our layout, we'll show that it's mandatory to have a store which is under lock and key. So that store must have certain conditions that make it ideal for storage of raw materials. One of them is good air circulation to minimize accumulation of fungus and molds and everything. Also, natural light is important because it will help to reduce the number of molds and fungus. Also, most important, the floor must be raised with wooden pallets for the case of storage of flour. This avoids growth of fungus and molds like aflatoxin, which causes aflatoxin poisoning. And this is very important because you have to do that to ensure that your floor is raised where you are going to store your flour, where you're going to store your other products like yeast boxes, small tins for flavors and everything. You can create above that a stainless steel rack which is lockable so that you can have a very decent way of storing your products.